Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see about a fantastic research tool which helps researchers and other PhD scholars who want to write better papers fastly with the help of this new literature review tool. So if you're tired of spending a lot of hours reading irrelevant papers, this video is going to help you a lot. This AI tool will automate your literature review, finds relevant papers, and even answer your research questions, which mostly is of free of cost. This is an AI-powered research assistant which is created by awk.org. You ask it a research question and it pulls answers from real academic papers, not just summaries, and shows sources, findings, and even study designs. So let us have a demo of how it works. First step, we have to visit elicit.com. Then next question, you have to type a question. Before that, if you're new, you can make a sign up option. You can see analyze research papers at human speed, superhuman speed. So you can continue with Google, so which helps you to enter into the so I'm signing it with the Google option. The other plans of this will be displayed. So you can select the basic plan, which is more than enough. You can click continue. Then it will take us to the particular place, which is elicit.com, where you will be given a prompt of entering a question. So here you can type a question, for example, what are all the effects of climate change on crop yield? Or you can give what are the latest methods in image classification using deep learning. So if I'm typing a question, for example, I'm giving what are the effects of climate change on crop yield? What are the effects of crop yield on climate change? This may be my research topic, where if I want to make a literature review on this topic, this tool is going to help you abundantly. Then I'm clicking a OK button. So it will give the summary of top 4 papers which are more relevant to this topic. So the top 4 papers are being listed, and the contents are their relevant contents are also displayed. Here you can, if you want, you can export the content, but for that you have to make an upgradation and go for some other plans. Here we can add the columns, for example, summary, main findings, methodology. So you can add the methodology, what is the method which is involved, and you can also give the limitations, so that you can now see the content is being classified into the columns. So the top 4 papers which is relevant to your topic is being categorized into 4 papers. So the first paper is effect of climate change on crop yield by some particular author, which is published in European Scientific Journal. So what is the summary of the abstract? What is the methodology? We can get 3 columns in the basic plan. If you want to add more columns, you have to go for upgradation. Main findings, outcome measured, what is the limitations, and many columns are also possible to add. Study design, theoretical framework, hypothesis, data set, and n number of columns can be added. But the only thing, the basic plan can have only 3 columns. So what are the major content you want to compare, you can add. Or if you want all the contents, you can easily upgrade based on your possibility of payment. Here you can make a easy comparison, and you can easily present a literature review. So and there is also an option called filters. So Here you can also give the publication year, what year of publication the paper was handled, and the quality of the journal, Q1 to Q4, all the four quartiles been added quality. If you can also make filtrations or restrictions, you can add study type, whether it is a systematic review paper or longitudinal, and keywords which is placed in the abstract, and a number of filters are also possible. And based on the content, you can also upgrade. You can export. If you want to export, you can upgrade, or else you just can use the content by making a copy. So this copy or share is available at the top right. Toggle scroll bar, you can also view it in the full screen mode also. So that is also possible, and from here you can easily copy the content. So you can select and you can copy. So this is a very wonderful tool, a magical tool for literature review. Hope this video was useful. So stay tuned. Keep subscribed for later updates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.